So this is the first engine that blew up on me. I'm going to be removing here. I'll remove the drive line first. It unbolts to these two mounting points here, and then at the back as well. You'd remove the exhaust from the manifold, and then unbolt it at the back, take the shafts off, and then the engine comes out easy enough, which you can see here. This is the old one that blew a hole through the crank, each side, completely obliterated itself. So this is me get the drive line out. It's a one-man job in and out. It mounts in with 6 bolt points. You can see it in the passenger seat there with the sprocket and stuff. So that's it, more or less ready for the new engine to go in, which you can see here. I've got it in and get everything all plumbed up, and that's it. Turnkey start button.